Aloha! So many of you asking how I got my oven looking like this, what I used, what you need to do yours, and how you can do it too. So here's a quick how-to. So first up, I got the marble paste from our Natural Helpers range, and I have applied that all over inside the oven as well as the glass and things here with my kitchen sponge. And I've left it for around 5 minutes to work its magic. And now I'm going in with my damp kitchen dual glove, grime side, just to kind of lift all that softened up muck and built up grease and things. And you can see the grill. Oh my gosh, it was so bad. But honestly, that sponge and marble paste are a dream team together, and it'll just loosen it all up, so it'll just lift away with no problem at all. Quick dry with menu fill, as always. Look at that. What a good feeling that is. So I am just going to lift the rest of this. But you see, once you've done your initial big deep clean in your oven, all you'll ever need is one of the strong fibres and some cold water, because the kitchen fibres are designed for lifting and removing grease from around your kitchen. As always, quick dry with that ENJO fill, and your marble paste as well can be used for a whole range of jobs around the house too.